everyone, Chrissy T here in Madison, here for another unboxing. We have the CatLady box. With the CatLady box, we also got a blanket. Go ahead, you want to take it out of the bag and show everyone? It's a nice big blanket, and it has a hood with cat ears on it and strings. And then here, take that. And then into the box we go. A very cute little postcard.
Luggage tags.
Okay. Oh, those are actually really cute. It's out of 2 luggage tags. T-shirt. Flocking Fabulous. Nice. Oh, it looks like we got a towel. Waiting to get elbow here. There. Oh, wait, I got it. I found it. Just got hit in the face with it. Nice. And then, it's a little bag. Trying to find where it opens. Thank you. I didn't need it. Found it. It's like a little silicone change purse.
Cat toys.
Oh, a little flamingo catnip toy and a little popsicle. And that's everything. If you like our video, subscribe, hit like, hit those notifications, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.